beautiful friends, Lynette and Nikki here, and today we're planting some Dollar Tree gladiolus. Now look how beautiful these are. Aren't they so pretty? So $1.25, you get 4 bulbs. Now you cannot beat that. So come and join me for some Dollar Tree bulb planting so we can see what we can get this summer for not very much money. Let's go to the Dollar Tree. I saw a yard when we went to Lancaster. If you guys have not seen that video, you've got to go back and look for it. It's like over the past summer, and it's like a small town tour, and we take you through all these beautiful old homes that are reinvented, and they are working really hard in the gardens as well. And I have a inspiration picture that I fell in love with, and I'm gonna try to duplicate as best as I can, but we'll see. So this is gonna be really easy, you guys. If you've never planted gladiolus before, they're so easy. You have to do basically nothing except for dig the hole, put the bulbs in it. I got my little Ryobi auger, and let's get these little cuties in the ground. This is going to be so simple. I have a limelight hydrangea right here, and so these gladiolus will get kind of tall, and sometimes you might need to stake them, but I'm sort of wanting to go a little close to this and bring a few out so that they can kind of lean up against the limelight. So we'll do like 3 right here. Okay, so I got to go deeper. I read on the back of the package that it's 8 inches, which sounds like a lot, but I think it's to stabilize them. I'm going to go a little deeper here. Okay, so what I want to do is put 1 collar of each, or 1 collar in a hole. I might put a couple, like put a pink and a yellow. And then hopefully we don't get the yellow one out of this mixed package. Let's just do 1 here. And then a bright pink one. And always go with a little arrow pointing up to the sky. Okay, so we have our bulbs down here, and they're pretty deep down in there, so I think that'll be good. And then we're just going to cover them back up with some dirt. And then I always like to sort of, not real hard, but sort of step on it. You want to try to get the air pockets out. And there you go. We got gladiolus that'll come up soon. Okay, so I put some here. So I want to move down and put a little, there's a climbing rose there, and another limelight hydrangea right here. So I sort of want a few right here in this area. Do the same thing. We'll do a pink one. Will pop up. That one doesn't look that great. I'll put two of them in this hole because that didn't look that great. That one didn't. Oh, and this one doesn't either. And then just cover it with dirt, you guys. I have a few more places. I kind of want to get some of these colors back in the back landscape area. I'm not going to show you guys again how to do it, but I just wanted to tell you so that we have something to look forward to this spring. Now this bed that I just planted them in, I have a plan to where I want tall, not so tall, medium, and then smaller annuals going all the way down. I wanted to show you guys my Judd Viburnum and just show you how pretty white these flowers came out. The buds were pink, and then the flowers turned to a really pretty pink just last week. And now this week, they're turning like a really, really white. And it smells so good still. Like, it almost has like an old-timey scent that reminds me of sort of my grandma Papa's house. But it's like a antique-y vanilla smell. Whew, got a lot of work to do, you guys. I also wanted to show you my magnolia. I'm kind of thinking I may not be getting blooms this year because of Ohio's weather, and I know a lot of you probably have the same issue. Now this might be a flower coming right here. I'm just not sure. Then I wanted to take you over to our eastern redbud tree. How pretty the eastern redbud tree is looking. And I've been noticing bees on it all day today. You can see up there. See all the bees? I don't know if you can see them or not. Our Bradford pear trees. It's really not showing up quite as pretty as they really are. Oh, there we go. Look at that, you guys. And we have them all the way down our property line here. And I think it's so, so pretty. And right here, I don't know if you can see how these trees kind of arch out a little. A local photographer here will come, especially in the fall, and she'll take pictures kind of underneath with the house, and it almost looks like a tunnel going over. Well, thank you guys for joining me on my gladiolus bulb planting from the Dollar Tree. I'm so excited about these, and I hope that I get some really bright blooms here in a couple months. So before you go out and spend a whole lot of money on bulbs, go check out your Dollar Tree. I know they have some other types of bulbs there, and I was kind of tempted, but I thought, let me just do these for right now. And why don't you guys go to the Dollar Tree and find your passion and what bulb makes your heart happy today.